3D printer coming out of the box. Joel doing the honors. I need to get my glasses.
Holy shit, it's radioactive.
Peanuts.
Ghost turds.
Okay, let's see what we've got.
Okay. Inventory part 1.
This is all the motors.
There's another inventory part which has some sort of rods coming out.
Part of the actual physical assembly.
This is some kind, looks like the documentation.
Which we want, yeah. Keep that to one side.
Yeah. And then underneath all of this
Is all of the pieces. Okay.
Let me just, so we don't break between.
Here, if I come towards you,
I'll just slide it like this, and then we'll,
there's some in the bag with it.
yeah. Okay, we'll get rid of those. Lift this off, make sure nothing falls out.
Okay. And with the excess peanuts. So these are all of the, there's the print bed and all
What
of
the hell
that
is this?
stuff.
Solar? Oh, it's okay. Looks like a solar powered or some crap. I was
So
like,
we'll
what
just
the
lay
hell
that
is
right there.
Okay.
Now I want to keep the box. Oh look, we have even more fun little parts. Gears. We'll figure that
Yeah,
out.
so keep
Digging.
sweeping until there's nothing on there, and then we can put the box down, back down on the floor.
Alright, so backing up. There is what came in the box.
Here, give me peanuts.
Ta-da!